Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I am going to share with you some ephemera. I'm really excited about this ephemera that I made. Little embellishments for your journal and things. And first, let's get to this one. Now this is just a little piece that has some little lines on it, but I thought it would look absolutely gorgeous in your journal, and hopefully we can get through that. And just making little simple things for your journal, little accent pieces, really helps for the look of it. And there, I'm going to show you that. And then next up is these little number pieces, and the only thing I did was on my Photoshop they have this font here, and so I just did some numbers in a line there and just had these cut out on my silhouette. Now let's put these to the side and get to the ones that I am really super excited about. And that is these mini flashcards. How cute is this? These are so tiny. Look at how tiny they are. Just super tiny. And they will look absolutely gorgeous as an accent in your journal. So I am really excited about using these in my journal. Another one that I am super excited about is, you know how I showed you the number font? Well, I also did the letter font as the typewriter. Look, and the only thing I did was just went down the keyboard and just as the typewriter, and I just made these with the rounded edge. I thought that was really cute, and I put it in different colors there, see? And how cute would that look in your journal? That would look absolutely adorable. So I have those. And next up, I designed this little piece that I thought was absolutely cute. It looks kind of a vintagey little note card that could go in your journal. And next, voila! Now, I drew this. I asked my daughter, because my daughter draw all the time. All the time. Like, whenever she's up. As soon as she wake up, she's looking to draw. But I asked her, would you please just draw me something simple? And that didn't happen. Like, I asked you to draw something, but it just doesn't happen. So I drew this myself, and I thought it was so cute that I could put this in a journal. It's a little doodle, and I made like sheets of it. I just designed it and put it through my printer. Did a couple of them on Photoshop, and I thought the design was cute. I could probably make a pocket or just have it as an accent or something in my journal. But since that was just, I really like how it turned out. Even though I'm not an artist, drawing is not my thing, but I like how that worked out for me. So I'm going to set this to the side as well. Put those up there because I have some more to get through. And guys, I am by my window, and it is a fly in the window, and I know for some reason he gonna want his 15 minutes of fame as soon as I get started. And so hopefully he'll stay out of the way and not bother me, but you know how that will work out. Now I did this, and it's supposed to be a clothes hanger. Now it's not that big, but my idea was that if I just draw a little line and put a little bows on it and put little stitching there, then it could actually serve as a little clothesline. I'm going to try to do this on camera. And I don't know how it's going to work out, but we'll try to see if we can get through it. Hold on a minute. I'm thinking I need my pinky shears, but I think I'm going to do it without the pinky shears. But I will try to use my fabric scissors. And I have little pieces of fabric here in my little, I keep little fabric scraps in this jar here. And hopefully I can cut just little tiny pieces. I need them cut a little bit bigger than what I need because I need to put a backing on. And this is the Heat and Bond Light. And I'm just going to cut out a little piece. To kind of stick on the back of what I need. And I'm going to iron that on. And I'll get another little piece. Oh, this little gray piece is cute. Oh, but I like this green here too. I think I'm going to use a piece of this green. Cut that out and let's see. Oh, here's a piece too. I cut a little piece of this because it has 3 little slots on the back, and so I don't need very much of this Heat and Bond on the back for it to work. And I'm just going to iron it on the back. Now, cut it out a little bit. Just kind of trim it off and see will it fit. It should fit on my clothesline. Yes, that fits. So that is great there. And that might need to be a little bit smaller. Still too big. Really cut that down. There, that'll work. And this one is next, this little pink one. And see, I knew that fly was going to come off and just be like, hey, you know, I'm here. And I like that. So I'm going to try to clean this up a little bit and try to move this over to the side for now. Let's see. And you have to take this off, peel it off, place it down where I want it. And do the same for this one. Let me move my iron over because I will need to iron this on. And get this last piece off. Make sure it's where I want it. Everything is set up, and then I'm going to just press it on. And there, how cute is that? And you can do a little stamp, a little cute little saying on here, or you can outline it. You can go around it with a marker or something to just, you know, give it some little depth there. But I thought that if you just put a little quote there, if you have a stamp that you can do that, that would be great. I don't think I have one right now, and that wasn't in my plan to show you, so I didn't get set up for that. But you have an idea of what you can do with that. And how cute is that? Super cute. Okay. Now, the next one that I want to show you was you could print out like a little hanger, and I just drew this little hanger. And you can do the same idea with this. You can put a little piece of fabric there, but if you choose not, then guess what? I have fabric washi as well. And so all the thing I'm going to do is take a little piece and show you how I would put this down on there. Let's see if I can get it off here. Yes, voila. And if I can place it straight, that would be good. But if not, it's still fine. There. Now, that would look absolutely gorgeous in your journal. And I printed out a couple of these, and I saved it to my Silhouette. So what I do is I have an iPad, and I put it in the Procreate file, and I save it as a PSD or a PNG. And once I email it to myself to my computer, then I'll just put it in my Photoshop, and my Photoshop I'll edit a little bit more there, and I'll switch it over to my Silhouette library. And I know it sounds like a lot, but really it's not as bad as all that. And so the next one that I wanted to show you is something that I've cut out with my Silhouette, is this. And so this was a label out of the Silhouette. So you would get these little pieces here, and this goes on top of this like so, and that's just the leftover circle. Now I went back and cut a bigger circle, and the idea that I had with this, let me move this out the way, and I'm going to get another little piece of this, and I'm just going to draw this circle out here. Let me get to the edge so I won't use up so much, because you really would like to save a little bit of that. Now those are my fabric scissors, and I really don't want to cut paper with my fabric scissors. I try not to, but sometimes I do grab them mistakenly and might have to cut. And I'll have to go and get some more scissors. Okay, now that should fit the back of this. And now I just need to get a piece of fabric. Now the fun thing about this one is that you can get a piece of fabric that has a design on it. So I have like this fabric and this, and I'm kind of leaning towards the mushrooms, because I love that look there. But then again, that little cherry will look great, and that little piece also would look nice too. You see how that looks? So I think I am going to just go with this one. Let's see if I can get it in there straight. I'm just going to turn it around. I want that design out. Cut it like so. Let's move these pieces out the way. When you're crafting, your area can get cluttered up like really quick. And I'm trying to work in this smaller area. Let's see. I'm going to iron that on the back. Let's see if I can do this and it comes out like I want it to. And I'll place that on there, and hopefully it's lined up, and it looks like it is. So I'll just kind of cut around it. I kind of want a little bit left over there, So I'm not going to cut just directly, well, just flush to the surface. Okay, my camera kind of shut off there for a minute. Now I'll take this and glue it to the back of this piece and this, like this. Well, let's see if I can get it. Let's see if it will work out for me. Hopefully it will. And let's maneuver it around. And there. See, that looks gorgeous right there. Okay. So let's see if I can get it all set up right there. I forgot my glue. The one thing I'm going to need is my glue, and I forgot it. So let's see. I've had problems with this glue because I left it open, and hopefully it will come out. A little coasting, maybe I can get it out. Okay. There. And now we'll put this on there. And try to line it up. I need to scoot it over a little bit. You have to be quick because this glue will dry quickly. There. And there you have it. Now how cute is that? A little fabric piece in there. Okay, now let's see. I have my journal. I haven't worked in this journal in a minute, but hopefully I can find a little page to work on to show you how this would all go together in your journal. Let's try. I am back. I am sorry for that. I don't know how I will edit this so that that part is out, but anyway, let's move on. I was trying to see how to make a page layout, and you could put that, you could put a label on this and actually have it kind of hang a little bit. Let's see if I can do that really quick, and most likely not. But what I would do if I would take a little piece of fabric like this, and I would stitch it on there and just stitch it onto my page like that. And so I could have a little hanging, and it can just move around like that. How cute is that? And you could put this here and also add a little something like this. So see how this page is already building itself right there? It's already building, and it looks really cute. And then you can add your little flashcard up here, and there you go. See? Just a little bit of ephemera goes a long way. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you got quite a bit of ideas of how you can make ephemera of your own, and it just takes a little effort. And I hope that you would like and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, you have a good day. Bye-bye.